The Government of National Unity is up to a shaky start, as the Democratic Alliance has made outlandish demands, some of which are corrupt, demanding at least 11 cabinet seats. Amongst these demands, a Minister of Higher Education, in which the DA has made it clear that they seek to dismantle NSFAS and replace it with bank loans. Minister of Mineral Resources and Minister of International Relations, even though the DA has made it clear for its support for Israel despite South Africa supporting Palestine. It's despised for BRICS and how it feels it is necessary for South Africa to align itself with the US-backed West. The Patriotic Alliance and the ANC have blamed the DA for the delay in the announcement of the new cabinet. The Patriotic Alliance has called the DA greedy, making citizens question the unity of the Government of National Unity and whether the so-called Government of National Unity will make it to 2029. If so, at what cost? Do you think the demands from the DA are really outrageous? Or is there at least the ANC?
Shooting shots and they miss, they can never handle this. Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? I'm